Good morning, children. Let us start with today's thought. If you really want to do something, you will find a way. If you don't, you will find excuses. Let us continue lesson 18, My Family and Home. Festivals. Children, we celebrate many festivals in the family. Festivals bring people together and also increases feeling of togetherness. Different activities like songs, dances, rangolis, games, competitions and races are arranged at the time of festivals. This gives us joy. In the same way, different kinds of festivals are celebrated in different regions of the country. Region means different part of the country. Agriculture is the main occupation in our country. Agriculture means farming, that is kheti. It is the main earning source of many people in our country. So, many of our festivals are related to agriculture and environment. Let us discuss some important festivals celebrated in our country. Holi is the festival that marks the end of winter. In Punjab, Baisakhi is celebrated at harvest time. Children, harvest time means the time of the year when the crop is cut and gathered in the fields. Means when जो फसल होती है that grows completely and कटाई होती है, that is the time is harvest time. In Maharashtra, we celebrate Bail Pola when the sowing of the crops is over. Children, sowing, that is beej bona. Bullocks work very hard for sowing the seeds in the fields, right? So, to pay the gratitude towards them, Bail Pola is celebrated in Maharashtra. During the harvest season in Tamil Nadu, Pongal is celebrated. And at the same time, Onam is celebrated in Kerala. You can see different activities of festival Onam here. Children, Dasara, Diwali are the festivals celebrated with great enthusiasm and zeal. At the time of festival, we all wear new clothes, variety of dishes were made. Some special dishes were prepared on the time of festivals. People meet each other and enjoy different activities, right? Same way, Gudi Padwa is also celebrated in Maharashtra. Paryushan Parva, Buddha Purnima and Ramzan Eid, along with Christmas and Pateti, that is Parsi New Year, are some of the festivals celebrated in our country. Children, whatever the festival, all Indians take part in them happily and wish one another well. Independence Day and Republic Day are our national festivals. All citizens celebrate them. India gained independence, means freedom, from the British on 15th August 1947. Hence, that day is celebrated as Independence Day. The Indian Constitution was adopted from the 26th of January 1950. So, this day is known as Republic Day. Constitution means a set of rules followed by citizens of a country. Children, while celebrating festivals, we must take care not to harm the environment. Small children and old people suffer if music is played too loudly because loud noise causes noise pollution. So we should celebrate the festival with joy, but we should not harm the environment due to our activities. Do you know Makar Sankrant is a festival celebrated in winter. On this day, friends and relatives give each other Tilgur, that is sesame and jaggery. Sesame यानी तिल and jaggery यानी गुड़. Sesame is an important winter crop. Sesame is a good food for winter as it helps to keep us warm. Children, we have completed the lesson here. Let us revise what we have studied. In a family, we are secure in every way. Families are of different types: small families, big families, and extended families. A family tree shows several generations of people. Every household chore is important. We must keep our house and surroundings clean. Many of our festivals are linked with agriculture and environment. Independence Day and Republic Day are our national festivals. Festivals increase the feeling of togetherness among people. During festivals, we meet each other, talk to each other, and feel connected. Children, you have to read the lesson thoroughly. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.